Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll go through the Colors tab in Darkify and explore how the preset system works, along with Scrollbar styling. Let's start with the Preset section. At the top, you'll see multiple color presets. Each preset instantly changes the overall dark mode color scheme of your website, including background tones and visual contrast. Instead of manually adjusting every color, you can simply select a preset and apply a ready-made theme. Now let's quickly preview each preset on the front end. Carbon Mist. Carbon Mist uses deep charcoal tones with subtle contrast. It creates a clean and neutral dark experience that works well for most professional websites. Midnight Reverie. Midnight Reverie leans toward cool, slightly bluish dark shades. It feels modern and polished, great for tech-focused or creative sites. Verdant Depths. Verdant Depths introduces darker green undertones. It gives a unique and slightly organic feel while keeping readability strong. Celestial Tide. Celestial Tide uses deep navy and blue tones. It creates a calm and smooth browsing experience, especially for content-heavy websites. Emberwood. Emberwood brings warm brown and amber tones into dark mode. This preset works well for blogs, storytelling websites, or lifestyle themes. After selecting any preset, the color scheme updates instantly across your website. This allows you to quickly test different moods and choose the one that best matches your brand. Now let's move to the Customize Selected Preset section. Below the presets, you'll see customization options. These allow you to fine-tune elements like background colors, primary and secondary. This gives you additional flexibility if you want to slightly adjust a preset's appearance. Now let's move to the Scrollbar section. Here, you can enable dark mode styling for the Scrollbar. Once enabled, the Scrollbar will visually match to dark mode. It's a small detail, but it makes the dark mode feel complete and polished. And that's the overview of the Colors tab. Using presets makes it easy to switch between different dark themes instantly, while Scrollbar styling ensures visual consistency throughout the site. Thanks for watching.